17/2024 market daily market recap and trade recap. Let's get over to it. Today we took a trade and that was a dub, so let's get into it. Okay, so on my daily buys, what did I want? My daily buys, see these lows, what did I want? Touches this hourly fair value gap, touches a huge accumulation area. Touched mainly I want to look for the 15 minute, which I was right. Then I tell you my daily bias, I was right. You know what I'm saying? I'm never wrong. Type shit. Okay. So I wanted the 30 minute, the 15 minute, that was the best one I want to get touched because look, these was a perfect order block. That's why accumulation thinking about now give me a 5 minute breakup structure all the way over here. You probably saying like, yo, why didn't you enter from here to here? You could have made better profits. Could have made more money. There was no setup. Calm your little unprofitable ass down. There was no setup from here to here. Where do you see the setup? This fair value never got touched. This huge accumulation never got touched. This hit, then it came down. I look for a retracement. 5 minute auto block. 15 minute fair value gap, another 15 minute fair value gap right around here, another 15 minute fair value gap. The reason I survived this trade was because, let me go over to the 1 minute. I deleted that chart? No way. The reason I survived this was because of this. As you can see, the 50% mark got touched over here, right? And I caused it to go right back up. Boom. First, the TP get hit. I was gonna say, okay, let me break even. But that greedy thing came on mind, so I was like, okay, let me break even, do partial. And that's what I did. And they took me out after a while, after a little bit. All right. So came back, tested it. I was gonna enter right. I'm honest with you guys, right? I wanted to enter right on this close of this candle, right? But I was looking at DXY. I didn't. Right when I look back, boom, the market he just started ripping out, and I just over risked by a little bit. And I saw what I learned from this trade. Okay, although it was a win, right? So let's go from mushes now. In this trade, a little bit of FOMO. I was like, okay, let me get in before it does a big move up or down. Doesn't matter, right? A little bit FOMO, so I can't FOMO next time. I got the right. I gotta use the right management. I gotta use the right risk management. I gotta use the right risk. I gotta use the right. I gotta be patient, disciplined, confident, fearless, emotional, not greedy. I cannot be greedy because I cannot be greedy in my take profit because I was trying to be greedy in my take profit, and if I would have just break even, I would have made no money, right? So yes, so break even and be. So I should have break even. I mean, no, I gotta be. I next time I gotta. I can't FOMO. Use the right things management. I can't be greedy. I can't be my take profit. I can't. I gotta once I hit my take profit, I gotta be partial and break even. Other thing is that do not. I cannot FOMO. And other thing is that if the 15 minute doesn't create a like if it doesn't create a high or a low in 15 minute time frame, I am not gonna retrade this because this was a perfect one. That's why right when I entered here, I was like, okay, the reason I knew I wasn't gonna lose the trade, right? Because look at this whole buy momentum, right? And other thing was that if you could go right here, the 50% of mark of this was my sell was below that, so I was like, okay, I'm less likely to lose this trade. TP hit, right? But next time I will make sure because over here, right, I did my retracement bad. So from here, so this thing right once you have to first the candle has to close, then I have to mark that out. Then if that doesn't close, I cannot mark it out. Okay, that's why if that happens now, boom, it's gonna be even better. You see, as I told you, that 15 minute fair value gap and that fair value gap all around. But overall, today was a W day. I like it, you know, as long as I could be, like as long as I can be, as long as I am not greedy, patient, confident, fearless, and mushes, and not greedy, as long as my discipline, as long as I'm not foaming, as long as I'm using the right risk management, I'm good. Thank you for watching. It's the 4/17/2024 market daily bias, and I don't know, I mean market recap. Thank you for watching.